The biggest news from the last 24 hours is a release from OpenAI. As per usual, big release from OpenAI. It's a barrage of features, functionality, and now we have what was teased out yesterday. Someone caught the early release, something called ChatGPT Pulse. Now, this is a brand new experience where ChatGPT can proactively deliver personalized daily updates from your chats, feedback, and connected apps like your calendar. So it's rolling out to pro users on mobile. Today, we've got a little video that we can watch together of the announcement. Okay, that's cool. There's been a lot of talk around the AI world about how we're going to be interacting with our team of AIs or your favorite AI like ChatGPT from now into the future. Is it always going to be like talking to it through a text box? Are you going to be talking to it with your voice? Are you going to be like having an earpiece or through glasses? Like, what's going to be the main form factor? How you're going to interact with it on a day to day? Now, what Pulse does is it just knows how you interact with ChatGPT and how you interact using different apps. So you can actually plug it now into, let's say, your Gmail, for instance, or your calendar, and then it can get all of this context. Now, what it does then is overnight and before you wake up in the morning, it compiles what it thinks you'll be interested in first thing the next day. So, are you planning an event? Are you currently injured? Are you going to go running? Is you planning a birthday? Whatever it is, it'll go and get all that information for you and then bring it back to you in a way that it thinks is going to be really interesting. So, this is what we call kind of passive or background AI. It just works and then it gives you good stuff when it thinks or when it knows you want it. And then over time, as you talk to it, it gets better, more intelligent, and it learns from what you like, what you don't like, etc. So this is ChatGPT Pulse. It's available for pro users on mobile today. Here's the last post. Pulse marks the beginning of a more proactive ChatGPT that helps you stay on track even before you start the conversation. This preview helps us learn, iterate, and improve before rolling it out to plus users with the goal of making it available to everyone. Pro users update to the latest version of the app to try Pulse today. A little bit of a reaction under here from Liam. I mean, it's nice, but I don't see this as a pro feature, to be honest. Quite underwhelming given pros $200 a month. But I've seen some good reactions. Some people obviously pay that $200 a month to get a lot more stuff. They don't just pay it for this feature alone. They get a lot more throughput, better models, better releases, lots of features with that 200. And this is just an additional feature. So the value is going up over time for that 200 price point. Yeah, this is the first proactive AI from Tyler. There is other ones, of course, but this is probably the biggest mainstream one. They've got their full announcement on their blog saying introducing ChatGPT Pulse. Let's see if we can actually read that to check that it hasn't or we've not missed any information here. Here we go. Let me just see if I can zoom into it. Okay, here we go. You can watch the video. We'll just read maybe the first two paragraphs. So they're building ChatGPT to help you reach your goals. Since ChatGPT launched, that's meant always coming to ask a question. There's magic in being able to simply ask and get answers to help you learn, create, or solve problems. However, that's limited by what you know to ask for, and always puts the burden on you for the next step. Today, we're releasing a preview of ChatGPT Pulse to pro users on mobile. It's a new experience where ChatGPT proactively does research to deliver personalized updates based on your chats, feedback, and connected apps. We talked before. You can now curate what ChatGPT researches by letting it know what's useful and what isn't. The research appears in Pulse as topical visual cards that you can scan quickly or open for more detail. So each day starts with a new focused set of updates. Okay, that seems pretty good to me. So I'd be interested to see if you'd actually use that or not. If you're on the pro plan, if you're on just the basic plan, let me know, because ChatGPT Pulse seems pretty good and a good way of actually interacting with AI in general.